morning, everyone. Welcome to Abhyaas Lawprep. So, hope you are preparing for your CLAT examination, which is scheduled on December 3, 2023. Today, we have brought you a latest information to support the students, those who are preparing for CLAT examination. What are the most important aspects for CLAT to enter into the NLU? One, the classroom preparation, which you are studying the content, and the second, testing yourself regarding how much amount of content you have received. So in that second aspect, we are here to support you now. So we have decided to conduct all India mock tests for the students, those who are preparing for CLAT 2024 examination. The course name is Ultimate CLAT Mock Tests, which are scheduled on 17th of September, 15th of October and 19th of November. We have decided to conduct these three All India mock tests to check yourself regarding the rank and position compared to among your peers in entire India. So this is simply priced at 199 rupees only. Register yourself at Abhyaas Lawprep website so that you can get access to these All India mock tests. We will provide these mock tests in the actual lines of latest CLAT pattern, which is based on 120 questions, and we will provide detailed key solutions, everything for these examinations, and this course is valid till your final CLAT examination. And in addition to this, we have one more variant which is priced at 599 rupees only. In addition to these three All India mock tests, we are providing 10 plus of online CLAT tests, so that the more you prepare, the more you practice, the more chance of entering into NLU will increase. So this is completely online based exam, which is priced at 199. If you want the same in a printed format, is priced at 1,999 rupees. So avail this opportunity, test yourself, your score, your position among all your peers in entire India. And for convenience of our Abhyaas Lawprep students, these exams are going to conduct at free of cost. No separate registration is required. This registration is only for those who are not part of Abhyaas. So avail this opportunity. All the best for your CLAT examination. Thank you.